Centuries ago, the cataclysm shattered the second moon and flooded the powerful human empire of Thrashar. From the ruins arose 6 nations, young and full of promise. But beware, otherworldly creatures haunt the wildlands, and monsters lurk in the shadows of the world. They have not forgotten, nor can they forgive the injustices inflicted upon them. Armed with old magic and new technology, humanity is poised to reclaim the glories of the past and dominate the world of Nuadan once more. These are the Nuadan Chronicles, a record of heroes and villains, monsters and myth. I look forward to telling your story.